softly the keys whisper. Shadows stretch like broken mirrors. I trace the lines of a crumpled page, fingers smudged with ink and rage. Every breath feels like borrowed time, a fragile heartbeat in this place of mine. But the stars outside, they pull my gaze, a promise of a world unscathed. I'm waiting for the last train home, where skies are painted in tones unknown, a ticket to a life I've only dreamed, away from here where hope redeems. Footsteps echo down hallowed halls, voices chant behind the walls, but my heart beats to its own refrain, a song of sorrow, love and pain. The clock hands turn, they tease my soul. Freedom's light is the only goal. I'm waiting for the last train home, a melody in the undertone, a quiet promise, soft and sweet, a place where restless hearts can meet. White sheep roam, they graze, they stay, but black sheep dream of worlds away. In the silence of a restless night, I'll pen my dreams and chase the light. I'm waiting for the last train home, to find a place I'll call my own. Through tears and whispers I will go, where stars align and truth is sown. The keys fall silent, the echoes fade, a shadow smiles at the life remains.